Samipta, which is Safe and Modern Ideas for Pilot Transfer Arrangement, isn't just any research competition which will be conducted, well, just for the sake of conducting. It is an ambitious dream of a man who wanted to bring a permanent end to this. He knew it wasn't easy, but he also knew that it wasn't impossible to. It is his unwavering determination, unparalleled dedication, and infectious work ethics that we are here with a plethora of ideas to bring positive change. It's been an honor to serve under him as a core committee member. May I please now invite the convener of Samipta, the president of All India Maritime Pilots Association, a man with so many multifaceted establishments that I cannot fit it in one sentence. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Captain Gajanan Karanjikar.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all where you're attending. Thank you, Shubham, for the kind words. Yes, Samita has been a journey for almost 4 months now. And when I tossed this idea first to Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Dr. Damani Shankar, about this having a competition and coming out with letting the cadets come out with the innovative ideas in competitive way. I mean, she was overwhelmed. And she'll give absolutely free hand. Of course, the IMU's full support under this competition. So the first thing was to do was to form a core committee. And again, we approached her for giving us cadets from each campuses so we can form a core committee. Even this program is being conducted by the cadets. And even the program name, Sabita, has been given by one of the cadets. The idea was to bring the change in the system. Idea was to find innovative solutions. But the main objective was to create awareness. With 157 entries from over 18 MTIs and 113 research papers received in 30th of July this year, we had 2,000 plus papers of research, 2,000 plus pages of research given by the cadets. So enormous work. And we were overwhelmed to see the response to the inclination. The cadets were told to do industry research. Cadets were told to do their own findings on pilot ladder mishaps, accidents, and how dynamic the boarding is. The caveat remains that these cadets have not even seen the ship. They have seen the pilot ladder in their institutes. They haven't seen the dynamic conditions of boarding, but the imaginations flew. The research work continued. We even got call from, the Australian Maritime Safety Authority because one of the cadets wrote to them, asking them data on the pilot accidents. Such was a dedication this cadet had shown. And I was very sure that unless we give it to young minds to think out of box with the lateral thinking, without prejudice, nothing will change. So the first goal of creating awareness was achieved very well. Teaching cadets of risk mitigation and finding innovative ways by application of their own mind, not only on pilot ladder, but everything else, is an exercise which AMPA wanted to do with the Maritime Training Institutes. And ever since AMPA was formed, we've been looking at pilot ladder safety at a larger picture and at various levels of maritime sector of percolation. We did carry out 3,000 plus students, training, where Captain Girish Chandra, Captain Sanjeev Pandey, Captain Oak, Dockmaster of Mumbai Port, they were involved in training the Maritime Institute students, including the masters, mates, cadets. Even we approached shipping companies to brief the joiners of their ship. Seven Islands was such a company which offered us, MTM was such a company which offered us a training space for their joining crew. And then there was a next step to be taken as to create a mass awareness and through a competitive way. And I'm really thankful to IMU for providing this platform, making us take the lead and complete the competition. Today is the competition's last day and it's coming to an end. 2,000 plus pages of research work to be scrutinized was a humongous task and was done by 12 international national judges. All of them are renowned and they had 20 plus years of experience in piloting itself. It took almost 25 days to come down to 25 top papers because the margin was very less. And then we had the evaluation committee of Captain P.D. Sidanandan, Sanjeev Pandey, Captain Sergeant Varghese, and we came down to the kind of 10 papers. But I tell you one thing, all 113 papers had innovative ideas. And on this forum, I declare today that all these papers will be again scrutinized, and we will of course print them in Empire Journal in a phased manner. Plus, we are also going to provide these papers to the international journals and international websites to print them. Because every paper had an idea, every paper had a thought, every paper could give us the kind of time, energy, efforts spent by cadet and their inclination to help the industry. So all ideas look stupid at the beginning, and feasibility of the ideas may not be possible now, but nothing is difficult down 5 to 10 years. Even some papers are talking about very remote kind of ideas, which are very good because they are out of young minds. So having said that, I really thank all the judges. I thank everyone who has helped. And to make this program successful, I wanted to invite everyone in this team. Even I can see the international eminent personalities in shipping have come. I wanted the Indian Port Association to be involved, so we requested the managing director of IPA to be present himself, and he was very concerned. When speaking to minister as well, minister sounded very concerned about the pilot and knew about the maritime pilot. So it was very good to see the responses, and since we are going to have a grand finale kind of competition of top 10 ideas, we thought we'll call 7 to 8 special guests from industry and let them speak to the cadets. Because every industry leader is a motivation for the cadets. And to create that maritime character in country, we need to bring out the best of the personalities in maritime industry today in front of them, sharing the experiences, sharing the stories, so the cadets can really pave their own way forward. AMPA has just done one small step. I would request entire maritime fraternity join hands and help in achieving these goals, henceforth in a lot of innovative ideas that we have in mind. Thank you very much. I really, I'm overwhelmed by this August gathering and presence of all eminent personalities here. Thank you very much for attending. And I really appreciate everyone's spending time, energy in seeing this cadets work and encouraging them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wise words. It has indeed been a great experience, and it has helped us form a family which learns together and grows together.